Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where I'm gonna show you how to make Minecraft props. So what you need is paper with prints, glue, a lot of time, and a laser cutter, because that will be much faster to do a lot of these things which I'm doing at the moment. So when you have cut that out with a laser cutter, which we all have at our home and disposal, as I know you all have, and you just take and cut out all these prints and just glue them with the glue and then fold them over so they will look like this. And then you will have an apple, and that can be applied to almost anything. So now I have here massive stacks of things that has been taking a very long time to make. So now you know, take your pickaxe and start doing things. I'm sorry for not uploading in a long time, and it's a bit of a mess after all this paper thing here. But see you next one.